At what age does the penis stop growing? Is it 14, 18, 25? It's a question many young men and even adults are too embarrassed to ask. But understanding the growth process is key to knowing what's normal, what's not, and when changes usually stop. Let's break it down. Welcome to the channel. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and we talk openly about men's health, hormones, aging, and sexual wellness. Whether you're in your teens, your 20s, or even just curious as a parent, today's video explains how and when penis growth actually happens, backed by science. 1. Penis growth starts during puberty. The penis does not grow significantly during childhood. Growth starts when puberty begins, usually between ages 9 and 14, triggered by rising testosterone levels. First signs include testicle enlargement, followed by penis length and girth increasing. 2. Peak growth period. Penis growth usually occurs between ages 11 and 16. For most boys, the majority of growth happens over 3 to 5 years. Just like height, it's gradual, not overnight. 3. When does growth stop? For most males, penis growth ends between ages 16 and 21. Some may see minor changes up to age 22 to 23, but significant growth usually ends by 18 to 19. Girth may continue to mature slightly after length stops increasing. 4. What affects growth? Testosterone levels. More testosterone, more growth within natural range. Genetics, your family traits play a big role. Overall health. Chronic illness, hormone imbalances, obesity, or malnutrition during puberty can affect development. Can it grow after 25? No. If you're over 25, penis growth has stopped. Any change in size is likely temporary. Blood flow, temperature, weight gain/loss. Does masturbation affect penis growth? No. Masturbation does not affect size, shape, or development. Can I make it bigger naturally? There's no medically proven way to enlarge the penis naturally once puberty is over. Pills, pumps, or exercises online usually don't work or can be harmful. The most effective thing? Understanding your body is already normal. Is my size normal? Studies show the average erect penis is about 5.1 to 5.5 inches. But there's a wide normal range. Function, confidence, and healthy relationships matter far more than inches. So, at what age does the penis stop growing? For most guys, it's between age 16 and 21. After that, what you've got is what you've got. And guess what? That's okay. Remember, confidence, communication, and self-knowledge matter far more than any number. If this video helped you understand your body better, give it a like. Subscribe for real, respectful conversations about men's health. And if you've ever wondered, does the size of the penis influence the pleasure given? Check out my other video where I break that down honestly.